Well, if you want an EA which combines AI with classic trading strategies, uses 4 steps, from scanning demand and supply zones, to entering and exiting the trade, and only needs $100 capital, has made 583% profit on a real IC markets account, and has been profitable for 16 months, then trust me, you don't want to miss this video. The EA I am talking about is this. The thing that separates this EA from others is its anti-overfitting process. Overfitting happens when EAs are designed to learn and adapt to the historical data, but they fail to predict the future price. Now let's dissect its trading algorithm. The entire process, from signal scanning to entering and exiting positions, is completely automated in 4 steps. Step 1 involves scanning the supply and demand zones, areas where prices are likely to react. Step 2 involves detecting any change in price momentum after a strong price movement across different time frames. In Step 3, trading decisions are made when the price slows down in areas where supply and demand have been noted before, indicating a potential change in direction. And at last, in Step 4, trades are managed, which includes opening and closing trades. I know guys that this is a bit confusing, but nothing that complicated. Moving on to its features. It trades in AUDNZD, NZDCAD, and AUDCAD. The time frame needed is 5 minutes, and you can start with just $100 account. Now let's go over its signal page. Starting with just $100, this expert advisor generated a net profit amounting to $585.31, or 583.39%, in 69 weeks' time. The maximum recorded drawdown was 25.1%. Now, you might be thinking that this is a big drawdown, but keep in mind that this is a Martingale EA, and moreover, the author is using low equity. So that is why the drawdown is 25.1%. It takes 7 trades per week, and its average holding period is 2 days, which is a bit lengthy for my preference. Let's examine its statistics. This EA took 388 trades, out of which 273 of them were profitable. In other words, it has a success rate of 70.36%. Its best trade is $35.09, while its worst trade is $17.18. And its average profit is a bit bigger than its average loss. Now let's go over its growth section. By trading for the last 3 months of 2022, this EA made 169.64%. For the entire year of 2023, it made 148.83%, and as of 2024, it has achieved a growth rate of 1.85%. If you are wondering why the profit has gone down almost every month, then here is the answer. When it first started trading, it was using 0.02 initial lot size. And after its account grew by 583.39%, the author, instead of using higher lot size, has decreased the lot size to 0.01. It is common knowledge that forward test matters more than backtest, but let's run a backtest anyway. The backtest is for 1 whole year. The initial deposit is $200, and I am using the default settings. The trading pair is AUDCAD and the time frame is 5 minutes. Over the span of 1 year in backtesting, the EA managed to grow $200 initial deposit into total net profit of $90.74, or 45.37% profit, with a maximum drawdown of just 9.15%. This drawdown is somewhat small for a Martingale EA if you ask me. Both its short and long position one is 90.91%. Its average profitable trade was $2.43 while the largest profitable trade was $8.89. Likewise, the average losing trade was $1.63 while the largest losing trade was $2.04.